On the hunt for
Reached
more.
your destination. It's on your left.
I've reached my destination. Let's pick up some metal, Grandpa. Oh yeah, metal frame. Let's get it in the truck. Thank you so much and good morning. All right, another stop, little trash can, throw it in there. Not so much on this stuff. Man, like a heavy permanent rack. All right, let's get it in the truck, baby. Drop and go. All right, got another small barbecue. Trash can and some pipes. So let's get to work. And another scrapper over there too. Boom. Got me an old stove. Here we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Making progress this morning. We got a nice load cooking so far. Got me another water heater, and what do you know? It's a ream and it's broken. Guys, that's one of like the dirtiest stove ovens, and I've seen a few in my day that I've ever seen right there. Well, we're gonna get this one on the truck. Let's go to work, Grandpa. Like Nona says, the truck don't load itself. Don't empty itself either. Glad I got a lift gate. Glad you guys are coming along on the journey. Not a bad haul this morning. All right, my Google My Business has got the truck filled up with this desk, and the usual spot gave me a washing machine. I think we're gonna have a load for tonight. Things are looking good, kids. All right, I got a call to pick up a washing machine. That's pretty cool. I appreciate that. Got to get it on the truck, Grandpa. This is the last one of the day. I just picked up a 75-gallon water heater. What the heck? Hey, Grandpa, let's get this done, and who knows what's coming next. But I'm sure grateful for this washing machine and this water heater. Man, it's big. You know where we at? Mountain of Steel. Let's dump it. Let's get weighed. Let's get paid. And we're not as late as the other day. Man, we got some weight, let me tell you. Let's go, Grandpa. And as usual, don't drop anything on yourself. Stay out of the drop zone. Good advice always. Moment to moment. And little Mr. Washing Machine is going to go boom. Ready? Boom! I love it. All right, next. Man, this desk got to come from the 1940s. All steel, baby. Stay out of the drop zone. Don't get smacked. Gotta love it. Okay. Next. Bye, bye, bye. All right. I love it. All right, off we go. Always something. All right, making progress. We're not so well lit tonight. Maybe it's on a timer. I don't know. I just want to be safe. Woo! Boom, boom, boom. Don't lose store. Man, like the world's dirtiest stove. Bye. Woo. Oh, man. Sorry, kids, another Ream water heater. Baby boy, baby boy, baby boy. You've seen better days. Onward and upward. Right down the middle. Here we go. Don't slip, don't trip, Grandpa. Here we go. Boom. Electric smoker. Boom. Trash can full of goodies. Oh, don't forget this. Nice little pile up, I should say. All right. Okay, we're gonna sweep it out. Get weighed, get paid. Man, what a night. All right, tail to tape, baby. One day, start out kind of interesting. Dirty stove and all, 1,400 pounds and another quick $123. Like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next one. These side hustles just keep adding up, doing good things for my community, cleaning this stuff up. You guys have a great night. Thank you for everything.